Buongiorno from Salat El Khair from Ayanchu from Good morning from Rome, Italy, Petra, Jordan, Machu Picchu, the world. I'm Alicia.
And I'm Nate.
And we're the Passport Couple. In 2020, we made a life-changing decision to pack up everything we own and see the world together. After saving up enough money to sustain over 2 years of travel, we decided to take the leap. We quit our jobs and sold everything to live a life on the road. We have traveled to 5 continents and dozens of countries. We've created a life that's not normal. Our home is different than most and changes from week to week. Our lunch breaks are food we've never heard of, and our desk is never the same. And now we have experiences we only ever dreamed of and have made friends in every corner of the world. And we're just getting started. We will continue to travel the world and share our journey to inspire others to live a life they love, spread positivity, encourage gratitude, and help make the world a kinder place, one bucket list item at a time. And they aren't always the big bucket list items, but we do love those too. It's about finding the magical and the memorable in your everyday. We're taking you along every step of the way, and if you want to stamp your passport with us again, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Oh, also, don't forget to stick around to the end of every video for the bloops.
It's full.